Hey you guys! If you think I look exactly like in my previous video, well yes I do. Because I'm filming 2 videos in one go because why not, right? So I just filmed, if you haven't seen my video yet, it's in there, you guys can check it out. I just filmed the review for Ilo Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. So basically the magnetic eyeliner, you draw a line like a little eyeliner. I didn't do a flick today or anything, and then you apply lashes on top. Easy as that. Sounds easy, and trust me, it is easy. Videos in there, super short video as well if you guys want to check it out, proper like review, and I show how to apply this on. Alright, so this video, as you've seen from the title, we're gonna be checking out lipstick videos are my favorite review videos, if I'm honest, because I'm just such a lipstick holic. If you would only see how many lipsticks I have, definitely more than I should need or ever will use, probably. Yeah, guilty, but I'm a lipstick holic. I love lipsticks. I wear lipsticks every day or some kind of lip product. Yeah, always. I can't go, you know, lipstick free. So this video I'm checking out the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Soft Peach Liquid Lipstick. I have the color Nectarine. I took only one shade, and it's just because I wanted to see how good or bad the product is instead of getting, you know, loads of shades. If it's good, then I'll go and get more shades. But if it's kind of, you know, I didn't want to waste my money for that. I'm gonna be honest, I really like matte liquid lipsticks and the ones that are long wear. So we're gonna do my usual test. I have a glass of water in here. I have a clear mug. So glass is a mug. So we're gonna see if it's gonna leave any mark on. So without any further ado, let's check what we have. Literally, I don't know if it's any good or not. First impressions review, my favorites. It's a first impressions review videos, your favorites as well? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so this lippy. Okay, let's swatch on the hand at first. Ooh, kind of love the color. It's kind of between orange and red. Don't really know how to describe it. Very warm shade, so we'll see. Can't smell anything. It says it's tasty peach, so kinda expect it to smell like peaches. I can't feel anything. Is there any scent to it? Can't feel anything. But maybe I will feel when I'll apply on my lips. I'm just gonna quickly clean. I have a lip gloss on. Lip oil, I mean. This one is by NYX, really like it. It's called This Is Everything, I think. Okay, let's just wipe it out. So the lips are clean. Okay, lips are looking dry, so we can test this out on the lips. This is really like the color. Okay, formula wise, it feels very oily. Not oily in a bad way. If I could compare to any liquid lipstick, it feels like Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. So it glides like oil, but then dries to matte, so we'll see how it's gonna dry. It feels very oily when applying it on. It literally glides on the lips. You guys seen this? Feels very moisturizing. My lips doesn't feel dry in any way at all. You know, with some matte liquid lipsticks, it tends a bit to dry lips. It feels, you know, on the dry side. This doesn't feel dry at all so far. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes for it to dry completely, and we can see how transfer proof or not it is. By the way, I really like the way color looks on the lips. It looks darker on the lips when it looks in the packaging, and the way then I swatch it. I think maybe when it's drying it gets a little bit darker. Do you guys think it's dry enough? Okay, I think it might be dry. My lips doesn't feel sticky at all, which is a plus, because with some matte liquid lipsticks, lips tend to get... It happened to me in the past, not gonna lie. But this doesn't feel at all like My lips just feels super moisturized. That's all I can say. I don't feel like I would be wearing matte liquid lipstick. Yeah, feels amazing. Okay, first I'm gonna do the like touch test to see if it's gonna leave any mark on my hands. So far, as you see, fingers clean. Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh. That's a huge mark. It's not transfer-proof at all. Somehow I think this lippy gonna fail all the tests, but let's just do a smudge test. Oh, definitely. It's more like a matte cream lippy rather than matte long wear lippy. But saying so, look, I rubbed my lips, I did like this kiss test. Lippy is still perfectly on, so maybe it's a bit staining lips. I'm not sure. Okay, let's do the glass, the MAC test. I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna have a bit of water and we shall see how big of a mark it's gonna leave. Oh. I'm sure you guys can see this. Can you see this? It's just in here. I hope you see this. I have to do this. Maybe you can see better. Do you see a mark? So, I mean, being positive, the color is still perfectly on the lips. You guys can see, like, I don't need to do any touch-ups or anything. The lippy sits perfectly on the lips. Maybe I applied a bit too much. Nah, it still leaves a mark. So maybe it's not that. But, so it's not transfer proof, therefore I don't think it would be a long wear, because I think eventually if I would be eating and drinking, it would, you know, clean off a bit. But so far, you've seen that kiss test, smudge test, and water test. Lippy looks perfectly fine, so I think like out of 10 I would give this lippy like 7, because it stays nicely on the lips after all the tests. It moisturizes my lips, it feels very nice on the lips, it's not sticky, so therefore it's 7 out of 10. Not 10 out of 10 because it's not a long wear and I like long wear lippies. So I'll let you decide, guys, if you wanna get this one or no for yourself. I'm not sure if I'll be getting more shades in this, just because I prefer the long wear matte liquid lipsticks. Just my personal opinion. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried this lippy already and if you would like to see more lipstick review videos, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.